Okay, we're going to set up to do a couple of lane changes. Importantly, I'm looking ahead to make sure that it's clear and safe to do a lane change to the right. I'm looking behind and beside me and I'm going, yep, I'm judged that it's good to do a lane change at the moment. I'm signaling to tell people what I'm going to do, and then check center, side mirror, blind spot, ahead, it's clear and safe. I'm moving across. Tend to do a bit of a double check there in that moment, and then cancelling the signal. We're going to continue ahead at the lights because we don't want to do a lane change right in front of a set of lights unless we need to. It's clear and safe, continuing through, we're good. Okay, setting up to do a lane change to the left, and ahead is a good place, it's clear and safe to do a good left. Center, side mirror, I can see it's safe to do there. Signaling to tell people where I'm going to do. Deliberately holding the car in the lane until I've made a final check, center and side, and a blind spot check. And now, checking ahead, I am moving across. The trick is to hold the car in the lane until you've double checked everything, then move across. And there you go, lane change to the right, lane change to the left. Thank you.